Choose all the different type of technologies or weapons that were used in World War I. A. Machine guns. B. Barbed wire. C. Poison gas. D. Tanks. E. Airplanes. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. On November 11th, 1918, a blank was signed that ended the fighting in World War I. Surrender, peace treaty, armistice, stop order. Match the world leaders of the Big Four with their correct countries. Column A, 1. Woodrow Wilson, 2. Victorio Orlando, 3. David Lloyd George, 4. George Clemenceau. Column B, United States, France, Great Britain, Italy. What did President Wilson call his plan for post-World War I peace? A. The Great Society. B. The 14 Points. C. The Treaty of Versailles. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word box that is below. A major part of President Wilson's plan was an international peacekeeping body called the blank. Red Cross, League of Nations, Justice League, United Nations. How was Germany punished in the Treaty of Versailles? Choose all that are correct. A. They had to pay war reparations, money. B. They had to take full responsibility for World War I in the War Guilt Clause. C. They were not allowed to have a large military. True or false? After World War I, many countries were broken apart and new countries were created. True, false. True or false? Many ideas of President Wilson's 14 points were rejected by other European leaders. True, false. Why did the United States not want to join the League of Nations? A. They felt it cost too much money. B. They believed it did not do enough to protect world peace. C. They were afraid of being drawn into another global conflict. What was fighting like during World War I? Choose all that are correct. A. Trench warfare was used that led to many hard conditions. B. Deadly weapons and technologies were used. C. The war only lasted a few short months.